Hello guys, today I will be showing my one crazy meow. So cute, so nice. Meep, meep, meep. Let's go. Open the door. Oh, we're here in my base, very cool. Got the furnace, it looks like a very cool base too. I don't know why. And then we got this chest. Very cool, a lot of items. Oh. And we got crafting. Hey boy. Very cool, very nice. And then we have my doggy dogs. Doggy dog. My doggy dog. My bed. And there's wool carpet and cobblestone walls. Walls, cobblestone walls. Outside, outside next. There's my graveyard. God, over here. There's no sign. Yeah. This is my farmland where I don't, there's no reason why I didn't get those carrots. And here's the sandy land, sandy lives here, sandy from, oh, it's in the back of my base, you can see them, oh, they saw me. And over here we'll see there is a little fishing land, a boat, where you can go fishing in a boat, and you buy, like, fly into the ocean. See if I can make it chest. Oh, it's open. I got my fishing, what I got from my fishing, I got pufferfish, a bowl, a raw cod, and a raw salmon. Yum. And you can see the ocean, very nice. And it cuts down, you can see the fences holding down this thing. I'm going back. Okay, we're back to the island. I got some fireflies. Let's go. Baby, cool. Let's go to the island. So there, let's go. Oh, I have my bridge. I got that by myself. Took a long time. Here are my trees I built up. I planted some saplings to build that. Yep, without bone meal. Without some bone meal. And, oh, it's a tortellini. And here's my beach side. Very cool. Here's my beach spot where I can look at the very beautiful things. And, oh, let's go to this abandoned shipwreck. I destroyed it by myself. Yeah. You can look at here. It's just paper and feathers. Here, it's 2 potatoes. I think that's it. Bye too soon. Meow.